All right, you guys, today we're going to play a fun game called Mousetrap. So you're going to need a couple of things for this. One, you're going to need your mouse, rolled up pair of socks. All right. Two, you're going to need some sort of a container. It could be a laundry basket or maybe a box. All right. Something kind of like this. It doesn't have to be this big. It could even be a cardboard box. This is going to be our trap. All right. And then we're going to need something to prop up our trap. All right. So I just found things that were laying around here in the gym: empty water bottle, empty Coke can, some duct tape, this spool of thread, whatever you got. Let's build our trap. All right. Here we go. I'll build 3 different ones so you guys can see and you guys can get creative with what's around your house. All right, you guys, so now we've got our 3 different versions. Again, you only have to build 1 trap. I just built three different options so you guys can see. You can really get creative here with all different kinds of materials to make your trap, which is kind of the container, and then whatever item you've got laying around that can kind of prop up your trap. All right, so here we go. Here's how this game is going to work. We're going to use our underhand roll to see if we can trap the mouse inside our trap. All right, so we got to take a couple steps back from our trap. We're going to roll our mouse and we're going to see if we can make it in. So you get 1 point if you make your mouse get trapped inside the trap, but you get 3 points if you get whatever you propped it up with plus the mouse. All right, so either a 1 pointer with the mouse only, or a 3 points if you hit the item that's propping up your trap and that goes inside and gets trapped too. So here's what I mean. All right, here we go. Let's take a first attempt at it. Ooh, I missed. I get 0.